so I'm going to attempt to crawl on the floor to the door to turn the alarm off before the system goes off. Okay. Okay, here's the house. Let's see. Where's Teddy's door? Okay. There's the alarm up there at the top. Let's see if I can do it. God, this is so stupid. So far, so good. There's a floor. I have to wash my clothes after this. Get all the way to the door and the alarm's gonna go off. Oh my gosh. Okay.